Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best fountain pens that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Pilot Metropolitan Collection Fountain Pen 91107. The Pilot Metropolitan Collection Fountain Pen provides a clear distinction that would make anyone's writing stand out. Unlike other heavy pens with sloppy presentations and untidy ink spurts, this sleek pen sports a classy metal body that's still light on the hands. Designed with exquisite style and sturdy excellence, this fountain pen definitely gets a big tick when it comes to its outstanding look and clean finish. Adorned with black sophistication, it makes the perfect desk pen for those important documents that require the smooth finesse only a pen in its class can deliver. The writing quality it delivers is practically excellent. It glides over the paper with a marble elegance that makes writing quite a breeze. Equipped with sufficient ink that won't easily dry out, the Pilot fountain pen ensures an uninterrupted and non-skip glide when writing. It comes with a pre-filled cartridge that is set to last a while and also includes a converter that can be refilled with a choice ink. Promising stellar precision and a build that feels great on the fingers, there's no doubt about the writing quality that this Japanese tip pen guarantees. From the tip of this pen to the end of the barrel is a clear-cut, affordable premium quality pen that definitely puts the infancy. For more amazing products like this, check out our guide to the best gel pens. Moving on at number 4, we have the Lamy Safari Fountain Pen Charcoal. The exquisite design of the Safari Fountain Pen by Lamy has a wonderfully unique grip and a well-designed ABS plastic barrel. Lamy pens perfectly combine style and function, putting a lot of emphasis on the practicality of the writing instruments that they produce. With a charcoal body and a steel nib with black coating, the Lamy is undeniably an original choice, standing out from the other fountain pens available. Each pen comes with a blue ink cartridge included and are also compatible with C24 cartridge converters. If you enjoy fountains with a difference, this is a wonderful option to go for. At number 3, we have the Pilot Mr. Retro Pop Collection Fountain Pen. The second additional from Pilot on our list, the Mr. Retro Pop Collection Fountain Pen, is a fine addition to any collection. The design of the fountain pen really stands out, foregoing the classical elegant look, and instead creating a pen that is truly memorable with a fun retro design. The gray finish with houndstooth accent is one of the more understated designs in the Mr. Retro Pop collection, with multiple different alternative designs to choose from, featuring varying accents and bold, fun colors. With so many designs available in the range, it is easy to customize the style of pen to your tastes. Each Pilot features a beautiful matte finish, with the same high-quality nib made from stainless steel, and a brass barrel. The Mr. Retro Pop Collection fountain pens are designed for use with either bottle ink or ink cartridges, with a black ink cartridge coming included with the pen, along with a squeeze converter for use with Iroshizuku ink bottles. At number 2, we have the Parker Jotter Fountain Pen. We hear so much about how we should choose our words wisely, and it's a great piece of advice. With so many pen brands in the market, from ballpoint to fountain pens, it's equally advisable to choose your pens wisely. For official use and even for leisure, a good pen delivers ease of use, durability as well as that pure boost of confidence and satisfaction when writing. This is the very embodiment of the Parker Jotter Fountain Pen. It may not have the looks of a regular fountain pen, but it definitely writes like one. The well-crafted design ensures a light feel on the hands, with a smooth metal body that's not a burden to the fingers. When it comes to design, the Parker brand definitely put a lot of thought into it, from well-accented shiny trims to the signature arrowhead clip at the top. The feather tip nib ensures every word is finely penned down and every thought gains meaningful and artistic expression on paper. Included in the cartridge is Parker's high-quality ink that is sure to last for quite the time. It's no doubt the Parker brand keeps excelling with the exquisite design of their pens, even in this computer age. Their brand, which has been standing for over a century, keeps wowing us with exquisite designs and phenomenal performance. And finally, at number 1, we have the Pilot Varsity Fountain Pens. A premium quality pen that just glides across the surface of a page or paper with uninterrupted, smooth and buttery grace. Isn't that the dream? This is what the Pilot Varsity Assorted Color Ink 7-pack pouch fountain pen provides, with not just one pen but more than half a dozen. For quite a bargain price, these phenomenally designed fountain pens come at the price of one. Every individual pen is sufficiently equipped with durable housing and sufficient ink to last a good amount of time. The slim body proves an easy grasp, making writing quite an easy task. They equally sport a transparent body that allows you to see the level of the ink per time. It may not rock the sleek and elegant body fountain pens are known for, but when it comes to quality, durability, and performance, these pens are in the front line. The liquid ink system ensures the ink flows smoothly from the nib, promising no spurts, smudges or dampening of the paper. The ink dries out fast, leaving a neat and fancy finish on the paper. As mentioned before, these are a really affordable option for high-quality fountain pens that can be used every day, without the technical hassle of refilling the cartridge regularly. Perfect your writing with the Pilot Varsity Fountain Pen and experience the true joy of writing with a top-notch, affordable set of fountain pens. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.